I told you I can actually sublimate on a dark cotton shirt like this one. Would you even believe me? Well, watch closely because the trick that I'm about to show you today will definitely blow your mind. For the purpose of the video, I have created this design, very cute. I believe that it's a very cute that will fit to the shirt. I have two elements. This design, the big one, and this small one where it says Happy Easter. These two would allow me to be downloadable. If you don't have two elements on a design, two or more on a design in Canva, it will not let you download because you have to create a new design. So this is basically a new design. We're gonna recreate the process in order for you also to create a design for a t-shirt. So the way I did it, I went to my Canva, which is the place that I use to create all my designs, and then you go to the menu. You're gonna go to create a design, and this pop-up window will come up, and you're gonna put t-shirt, right? T-shirt, and it will give you all the type of t-shirts templates they have. I'm just gonna go for the first one, which is a t-shirt 14 by 18, and this will automatically give you this designs, and that's where you start working. But since I already have my own design, we're gonna go back to the one that I was working on. In order for me to grab this design, I went to the element box right here on this side. Click on it, and you do the search button, the search bar here, and put Easter, and then it'll give you all the graphics that you want. And of course, like you said, if it doesn't have the little crown, if you don't pay for Canva, if it doesn't have the little crown, you may use it. But if it has the little crown, you have to pay the premium pro Canva version in order for you to use it. These two designs for me, and actually I got them with the pro version, but if it wasn't with the pro version, I would use any other design that would allow me to use without the Canva and create a cute design such as this. But since this design is done, we're gonna move on to downloading this image. In order for us to download it, you're gonna go to share, and then we're gonna go right here, download a pixel that it allows you to download, and we're gonna actually do transparent background. If you don't have the pro version, you can actually remove the background on Cricut Design Space in order for you to use it without the background. So we're actually gonna do that. Let's pretend I don't have those the pro version. We're just gonna download it as is. Once you have your downloaded design, we're actually gonna go in to Cricut Design Space, and we're gonna open up a new Canva right here, and now we have our Canva Design Space. In order for us to upload a design, we're gonna go to upload in Cricut Design Space, upload image. And then we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna go and browse our image, and we're gonna click on the design that we want. Once it's downloaded, we're gonna go to continue. Alright, so in here you can actually remove the background. You're gonna go to remove background right in this button right here, and it's gonna automatically remove the background. We want to remove the background. If not, you're gonna have to cut it out without the background, which is also another option. So we're gonna go in apply and continue. Then we're gonna click on flat graphics. We're gonna continue, and then we're gonna upload. Click on upload. Once the image is uploaded to your design space, we're gonna resize our image. We're gonna reduce it to right here. We're gonna make it as big as possible that our Cricut will allow us, so it can actually cut the offset. Once we have this right here done, we will go to right here, offset, right here. And we're gonna do an offset for this image because the offset is what we're gonna use for our trick. Okay, so now we want the offset to be as close as possible because we don't want none of the background to be shown. So it's right here. We can remove it. And we're gonna click on here. We're gonna remove this little cut. In order for us to remove that, you're gonna go to couture, and we're gonna go to right here, click on this one, and that will remove that. All right, so now that we have that, we're gonna go to make. Okay, there's one thing I did that I totally forgot before coming to the screen. We actually have to mirror the image because once we print out, these letters will come out and mess up the whole thing. So we're gonna actually go back. We're gonna share thing and select all of it, and we're gonna flip it right here where it says flip. We're gonna do horizontal. That way they both come out this way. Okay, so now we're gonna go over here. Oh, and first we're gonna print out a design, and then we're gonna cut our background. So we're gonna print, and we're gonna click on continue, and it's gonna give us the option to send to print, and we are doing that. We're gonna click the right printer. We're gonna actually remove the bleed, and then use the system dialog, and then print. And then this pop-up will come out, and we're gonna go to preference, and we're gonna go paper quality, and we're gonna go to photo paper matte. And you want that because if not, I don't know why, if you don't click that option, it comes out with lines, and we don't want that. So now we do that, and now we're gonna print. So my trick for this sublimation project, we're gonna use Sublimation HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl. We're gonna use Cricut to cut it. All right, so what we're gonna do is place it with the matte side, not the gloss side, the matte side up and the glossy down. All right, so now that that's done, we're gonna go to browse all material, and we're gonna look for vinyl, regular vinyl, right here. This button means that we're gonna save it so we don't have to keep looking for it. So now that we have saved it, we're gonna go to done, and that will be material. Base material is vinyl. We're gonna do default pressure, and now we're gonna load our mat and let it cut. All right, now we're gonna weed it like so. All right, and this is how it's supposed to look. We're gonna remove the moisture on it and remove the wrinkles. We're gonna do this for a couple of seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. And we fold it halfway so we can know what the middle is. It'll be easier for us to put the placement, the design placement on it. I have this center measuring t-shirt for adults. I will link this in the description. It's basically, it will help you measure where exactly you want to put the shirt, the design on the shirt, so it comes out correctly. So now we have that. The instruction for the HTV, we're gonna do it for 320 for 10 to 20 seconds. So we're gonna basically place it like so. That's about the middle part. We're gonna use some heat resistant tape to hold this in place so it doesn't move. And Teflon on top. And we're gonna do it for 10 to 20 seconds. Okay. Now we're gonna put this right here. Alright, next step is to place the design on it. Exactly on top of it. Okay. I use heat resistant tape to hold it in place. Alright. Once that's there, we're gonna use this one up here. So we're gonna raise our temperature to 390 for 30 seconds. And for the moment of truth, and we'll see in just a moment. And just like that, you can sublimate on a dark cotton shirt in no time. As you can see, my design came out really pretty cool, close to perfect. Not too perfect, nobody's perfect, right? So, as you can see, you can stretch it. This vinyl's pretty soft, pretty good. Stretch it, nothing won't happen. Let me show you up close on it. Overall, I think it came out pretty good. Maybe some outline, I could have cut it out a little bit, but overall, you can really tell, to tell you the truth. Unless you're a very, very picky person, then you probably want to try to cut it out. But since this shirt is for me, I don't mind the little tiny outlines on it. What do you think about this design? Did you like it? So comment below if you think this is a pretty cool design, or you would want me to create a different design and show you how to add it to another shirt. What if you want to sublimate on trickier surface for your next sublimation project? I have a perfect video just for you. Click right here.